So I just finished doing the final paint on Z's Charger. Car came out beautiful. With that being said, is Mark can't smell paint. He can't smell paint from his house. He can't smell paint from his office. I know he's got a big nose, but that nose doesn't work that good.
Hey, Willie.
How's it going?
How can I assist you, my friend? No, grab a chair. I don't want to.
No, you're fine. All right.
Brand new camera.
Level with me.
How can I help?
How is it you know? Yeah, it's 25 years old.
Yeah, well, that's not 25. That would make me 10 years old when the picture was taken.
Anyways, how is it you know when I'm painting? Is it George? You got cameras?
I don't know what you're asking me. What is it you want to know? I'm here to help you. Mi casa es su casa.
Okay, once again.
Yeah.
How is it?
I told you before, just like I've told all these guys. What do you think? This is for looks? Would God give somebody that for looks?
No, I wouldn't.
No, you wouldn't think so.
No,
It's all funny. Well, it's a functioning device. The nose knows.
Seriously?
Yeah.
And that's what you're gonna stick with?
And that's what I'm gonna stick with right there.
God, this was a complete waste of time even coming in here.
If I had a band, I'd call it Guns and Noses. You grab the door and close it. Yeah. Grab the door and close that again. Yeah. Yeah. If I was able to tell the future, it'd be Nostradamus.
So you guys know how Mark is. I mean, Mark's Mark. You know, so if it wasn't you guys, you know, that ratted me out, then he's got to have a camera around here somewhere.
So you're wondering what this is. I've been thinking a lot about graveyard cars and where I foresee it going in the future, not only as a show, but as a shop and a team. And I've noticed that it's hard for people to say what's on their mind when other people are standing next to them. I mean, I think we're all a little bit that way, that we're a little more emboldened, like they talk about keyboard commandos that are more willing to say something when they don't have to face somebody. So I've invented this confessional. You've seen similar ones out there, but you've never seen it in this particular line of work. And what I want it to be is an honest, sincere opportunity for anybody to come in here, sit down, and say what's on their mind without ridicule, without having a pushback from somebody or an argument. And I hope that what it ends up doing is extracting from somebody their true feelings that need addressed in order for us to continue to grow as a family. And is this something that we can make work? Is this a change that is necessary for graveyard cars to grow?
All right, so I just finished the conversation with Mark. So you know, I come into Dave's area, which is the assembly room, and there's two cameras in here. We got one this direction, we got this one in this direction. It covers everything. Bounce over to the machine shop. I know exactly where the cameras are. They're there like normal. And then right out to the body shop, we got 2 or 3 out there, and I know right where those are. So any other cameras that he might have out here, he's had to place himself. So there's only 2 spots out there where the cameras don't see. That's inside the paint booth and inside the mixing room. So if he's actually going to do something, he's got to place a camera in one of those 2 areas. You know, the mixing room isn't a big area, so there's only so many spots you could hide a camera. Obviously, it's not going to be in plain sight, so you have to be a little sneaky with it. So maybe it's one of those stupid little pins he's got sitting somewhere that I don't know about, or maybe it's next to the paint gun cleaner. It's got to be well hidden because it's a small room. Think about spots to look. Even if Mark does have a camera in here, I don't care. I still got to come in here, do my job. Whether he wants to be here or not, that's fine. I still got work to do. Yeah, I don't have anywhere else to look.